Introducing Champion Power Equipment's 5500 watt RV ready electric start dual fuel inverter with CO Shield. This unit runs on propane or gasoline straight out of the box, perfect for taking on small trips, using recreationally, or to back up your essential household items during a power outage. Champion's easy-to-use electric start takes the confusion out of starting an engine, giving you easy access to all the controls you need. This inverter comes travel-ready with a standard 30-amp RV outlet to easily bring you power while you're on the road, as well as a pair of 120-volt household outlets and a 12-volt DC outlet. Or connect 2 units using a Champion Paralink parallel kit to provide 50 amps of power directly to your RV. And for added protection, this inverter utilizes CO Shield, an auto shutoff system that will shut down the engine before dangerous levels of carbon monoxide have the chance to accumulate in your operating area. Read your operator's manual to easily get your unit up and running. Open the box to safely access the inverter. Add oil to the inverter. Connect the battery. Move the inverter outside. Add gasoline. Or connect your propane supply. Start the inverter and plug in your desired equipment. Champion's 5500 watt electric start dual fuel inverter. Innovation, power, and dependability.